Hi, hello friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learners Cobb app. Hello friends. Today we will discuss about conditional statements and indentation block. Now we will discuss about conditional statements. A conditional statements in Python is handled by if statements. These statements can be used of different types. We can see here is the different types of statements.
Now we will see example for every type. Now for type 1. Now we will assume A equals 1. B equals 3. If A is less than B, print of A and B. Then it will print the value of A and B. Now we will see if the condition is false. If A is greater than B, print of A and B. There will be no output. Now we will see type 2. We will take the previous value of A and B. Now we will type A if A is greater than B else B. It will print the value of B equals 3 since A is less than B condition is false. Now we will see if condition is true. A if A is less than B else B. It will give output as value of A equals 2. Now we will see the last type 3. Here the using of elif is optional. Now we will assume Q equals 3. W equals 1. E equals 6. Now we will enter if Q is greater than W and Q is greater than E, then print of Q. Now we will use elif. If W is greater than E and W is greater than Q, then print of W. Else print of E. Finally the output will come as 6 as the value of E. Since all conditions in if, elif are false, it will return to else.
Now we will see about identation block. In Python, indentation is used to mark a block of code. In order to indicate a block of code, you should indent each line of the block of code by 4 spaces, which is a typical amount of indentation in Python. It means that, in a conditional or loops, we should leave some space of 4 for the functioning of the Python program. Now we will see some example if identation error.
Here we will see some identation example. Actually it will show the identation block of space directly. But if by the error we enter the wrong statement, it will not work the statement and return error.
I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts, we will discuss about it in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learners Cobb app.